These baked mashed potatoes are fluffy, rich, and creamy, with a delicious golden brown cheesy Parmesan topping. Let's make them. Peel russet potatoes and cut into similar sizes. Add potatoes to boiling water and cook until fork tender. Strain the water, then add in butter and mash the potatoes. Mix in heavy cream and sour cream. Add shredded Parmesan, green onions, fresh ground pepper, and salt. Add mashed potatoes to a greased 9x13 baking dish. Top with slices of butter and loads of grated Parmesan. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Then turn on the broiler setting and broil for 2 to 4 minutes until your potatoes create a beautiful golden brown color. Top with green onions and rest for 5 minutes before serving. For full recipe, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstale.com.